Hey, I'm Dave Knight with the Dave Knight Real Estate Team, and we love being a real estate resource for people. Today's question is, what's going on in the market? So this is the question that I get multiple times a week. People wanting to know what's going on in the real estate market here locally here in Los Angeles County. So let me make a couple observations. I'll share a couple things that I think are going on. The first thing is that we still have low inventory. Because of that low inventory, even though rates have climbed, we have stayed pretty strong. Now we have felt a drop, and I'll say that it's between 10 to 20% in different areas. Now, some areas haven't seen much of a drop at all. And there's certain micro markets that I believe are created mainly by like school district demand. An example would be the La Crescenta market. So what's going on in La Crescenta is the inventory is still pretty low. And so what that's done is it's kept prices pretty stable. So there's not a lot for sale on the market. We're still seeing, saw multiple offers on a property there just recently that we didn't think would go that high. So there's little micro markets that are going on. Other areas we've seen a drop in values. So it really just depends on where exactly your property is located, where it's located on the street. Is it a corner lot? Is it a quiet area? Does it have a good school district? Those are the factors that are going to help determine really what the value is going to be. Now, the other market, which is the cash market. So when we look at the properties that need major work, where there's flippers out there that are looking to acquire them, we had two places this last week that had each over 10 offers, and the price drove up pretty high on those because what's happening is that the flippers don't have much inventory, and so they're looking to just churn deals. Even if they don't make much profit, they just want to keep their crews busy. So that's really interesting. We also, though, saw on the investor market a property that we had that needed a lot of cash in it that was going to be delayed for a long time because it would take a long time to get entitlements. That sold for less than what we thought. So it's really property by property right now. What we anticipate happening here in the future is hard to say exactly without knowing what's going to happen to rates. It seems like inflation still has to be stopped, so rates are one way to control that. If rates keep bumping up, it might cause still a little bit of a lag time here in the market, but we're just not certain. So each property is different. Any properties that you have, your friends, neighbors, that you're curious about, if you're thinking about selling it here, feel free to give me a call, and I'm happy to analyze their specific property to share what do I think will be the potential challenges and then opportunities for selling here in the future. Make it a great day. We'll see you on the next video.